So I'm now going to demonstrate a more complicated topic, which is circle theorems in shapes. And the lesson is the cyclic quadrilateral rule. So I'm just going to go ahead and play now. And because Prodigy is adaptive, it knows that I haven't played this lesson before, and so it's starting me off with easy questions. So here is a simple one just about triangles, and this is a prerequisite topic that builds into the cyclic quadrilaterals rule. So here we are at diagram x equals 100, z equals 20, so we know that a triangle has 180 degrees, therefore that must be 60. And here it's asking us if x plus y equals 180 degrees. And here, this is a new concept for me, so I'm going to ask for a hint about this. And it's telling us that x and y are opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral. The hint is specific to the question, but actually I'm still kind of confused, and so I'm going to ask for a solution on this. So here it's telling us, okay, it is a cyclic quadrilateral. The angles are opposite, therefore x and y equals 180. So okay, so that's told us. Okay, now we've gained knowledge. Let's go ahead and try and use that knowledge. The next question asks us that, and we just found out that is false. And here's another one. X for size, they must be 180 minus 4, so I think that's 120. And again, we just learned that earlier, so I think that's definitely true. So, because we answered 3 questions in a row correctly, Prodigy has upgraded us to medium level, and it's given us a new shape here, and it said this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now there's no circle, but I can see that these opposite angles don't add up to 180, so it's clearly false. And here, the shape inside, is it a quadrilateral? Well, all of the angles are touching the side, but does that mean it's a cyclic quadrilateral? I don't know actually, so maybe I just ask for a hint. Inside a circle, all 4 corners touching the edge. Well, I think that is certainly true, isn't it? So yes. So with at least 1 corner. That's false. I know, we just looked at that. So now we've got, with a little bit of help from Prodigy, we have upgraded to hard. We got 3 questions right, and now we're in hard. So in the y equals 70, and z equals 25. What's the size of angle x? Well, I actually have no idea, so I'm just going to press solve here. Okay, let's add up to 180, see the angle. 1 equals 185, so ABC is a cyclic quadrilateral. So that was given. Okay, I think that's helped us. So the angle is 75. Okay, so that, oh, now I know that. That has to be 180 minus 75. So we did quite well here. We started off in easy. We didn't really know very much about cyclic quadrilaterals. We asked for a couple of hints just over here. And then we had to ask for a solution up here because it got really tricky. But we still ended up on hard, and we made a score of 4479. So if we now choose another activity, we can see that that we passed because we learned the very basics, even though we've only played once. And but we might go back and play that again because there was clearly more there. And that's the end of this lesson.